So guys, today I'm going to show you one of the most powerful features of AuthVaultix, the chatroom system. The main purpose of the feature is real communication between user and admin without relying on any third-party app. Every authenticated user gets access to the chatroom only after a secure login where all messages are fully server verified. The chatroom is completely controlled from the server side, which means no spam, no fake user and no unauthorized access. Messages are signed instantly, no delay, no pooling issue, all protected by session-based security. This feature is especially useful for support system, private communication and license application. And most importantly, the chatroom works only with a valid session. Once the session expired, access is automatically revoked. That means maximum security, full control and zero abuse. If you are looking for a built-in secure chat for your application without depending on Discord or Telegram, AuthVaultix Chatroom is the solution. You can start using AuthVaultix today by visiting authvaultix.com. Download the SDK, integrate it into your app and secure your software in a minute. If you have any problem, you can use a built-in support chat on our website or join Discord server of direct help from the team.